ready to level up your gaming experience on the big screen, but your Nintendo Switch is throwing a tantrum and refusing to connect. First, let's do a basic check. Make sure the AC adapter is properly connected to both the Nintendo Switch dock and a working wall outlet. A loose connection here is a common culprit. Next, grab your TV remote and confirm you've selected the correct HDMI input. Cycling through them might reveal that you're just on the wrong channel. Time for some cable gymnastics. Unplug the HDMI cable from both the Switch dock and your TV, then firmly plug it back in, ensuring a secure fit. Now, let's dive into the Switch's settings. Navigate to System Settings, then TV Settings, and choose Match TV Power State. This ensures the Switch is outputting the correct resolution for your display. When in doubt, power cycle, hold down the power button on your Switch until the power options appear, then select Turn Off. After a minute, power it back on and try docking it again. Dust bunnies can be saboteurs. Use a can of compressed air to gently clean the USB-C port on the bottom of your Switch and inside the dock, removing any debris that might be interfering with the connection. Finally, let's give the dock a power refresh. Unplug both the AC adapter and the HDMI cable from the dock. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug the AC adapter back in first, followed by the HDMI cable. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be back to enjoying your favorite Nintendo Switch games on the big screen in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks.